Hey guys, this is Tim Dawson from Mountain Automotive. Today I have a 2015 Gmc Terrain Sle. This is also all-wheel drive as well too. Thanks for taking the time and watching this video. I'm going to walk you around this car real fast and show some features on it. First thing you're going to notice, obviously, it is black in color. It's got the nice running board, it's got the nice chrome rims, plenty of tread left on the tires as well. Now we've also ran through a 150-point inspection on this Terrain as well. It will also have, we will also put a 30-day powertrain warranty on it. We put a powertrain warranty on everything that we sell. This car is also a non-smoker as well. There's no rips or tears in the seat. Extremely clean inside and out. As you can see, there's no cracks or fading in the dash. Of course, power windows, power locks. What's nice about these Terrains is you get a lot of room in the back seat back here. So there's a lot of leg room back here. As you can see, no rips or tears in the seat back here. But as mentioned earlier, you can see there's a lot of leg room back there. There's no stains either. One more shot of your rims and tires. Now this Terrain is equipped with a backup camera. It is all-wheel drive. A lot of room back here for storage. You can fold the seats down flat if you need a little more room. Now we also have financing available as well. We have rates as low as 4.24, and we also work with people that are trying to rebuild their credit as well. One more shot of your back seat. Again, no rips or tears in the seat. Hopefully you guys are able to see this. It's a little sunny out today. Show you your driver's seat real fast. Of course, you got a power seat, no rips or tears in the driver's seat. Again, power windows, power locks. You're gonna have auto headlights on this car as well. Got the nice touchscreen inside. This is all touchscreen here. As I mentioned earlier, you do have the backup camera. 2 sets of keys, always nice to have. You have all the mounted controls right here on the steering wheel. Cruise control, Bluetooth, so you're gonna be able to sync up your phone, make all your telephone calls. Again, this is a 2015 GMC Terrain Sle, all-wheel drive, clean Carfax. If you have any more questions on this Terrain, please feel free to give me a call or text at 309-310-3034. Thank you.